67 to 72 Chevy and GMC trucks only came with one speaker. It was in the dash. It wasn't that great. If you want to get the full sound out of your new stereo system, you're going to need more speakers. Now in the front, it's pretty easy because you got these kick panels that you can get. A lot of times you'll see people dig into the doors, but that's just not cool. Your better bet is to go ahead and get this speaker holder mount, and this is specifically made for the truck. You'll notice that the beveled edge down here, that this is rounded at the top. It's specifically made to fit into this corner. I went ahead and put some tape in here so I don't scratch my new paint. I'm going to make sure my wires are out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and trial fit this in first so that I can get it right where I want it and mark my holes. Now you got to get the bottom in first and tuck it in there kind of far. Then you can tuck your top in here. Then we'll go ahead and pull this out, get my wires out of the way. I'll make sure that it's about right there. It's keeping even with your rubber right here. And I've got it in the perfect spot. I'll go ahead and take a magic marker. We got 2 holes on the bottom, and we've got 2 holes on the top right here. So we'll mark those. Then I'll go ahead and drill those out on your speaker right here. You'll want to take this net off, and that'll pop off there. Like, come on, baby. Got to be careful with this. This is a pretty thin net, so that'll just come out. And you're going to take this and put it on top, and then make sure that you're centered and mark the holes for this. Now we can go ahead and drill all of our holes, and we can put everything back together. Another reason that I like this is that I can go ahead and paint this. It just comes raw metal, or I can upholster it. I can put carpeting over it. You got a lot of different choices on that. So let me get this all together for you, and I'll show you what I do next. Okay, I've got my speaker in. I've got my wires connected. I'm going to go ahead and take off this tape here now. Now, the pocket right here, when you put the speaker in it, it's booming out. Some of it will reverb back, and if you don't put anything in there, it might give you a bit of a reverb or kind of a noise. So you can get some old t-shirts, you can get some juding, what have you, put it up in the corner, roll it on up. Now if you get this style and it happens to have this silver on it, make sure you wrap that to the inside and it's not exposed to your wires because it could short them out. I'll get this guy and stuff it right up on in there. I'm going to make sure that my wires are not in an area that are going to get pinched. And then I can go ahead and slide this guy right up and in here. Oops, upside down. There we go. So real important, watch out for those wires. Get it at the very bottom, tuck it up. Now I can get my screws in. So this will take me a second, and I'll be right back and we can hear what this sounds like. So you can see it installs in no time at all. It looks great. Perfect for your corner, perfect for your speakers. You be sure and check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. Subscribe, because I'm doing these every single week to get your truck back on the road looking good, safe, and sounding good.